easy fruit salad recipe. Hello, vibrant students. Today, we will learn how to mix a colorful and easy fruit salad. Fruit salad is a healthy and refreshing dish, perfect for a snack or dessert. Let's start mixing. Ingredients: 1 apple, chopped. 1 banana, sliced. 1 orange, peeled and segmented. 1 cup of grapes, halved. 1 cup of strawberries, halved. 1 tablespoon of honey. A sprinkle of cinnamon, optional. Instructions: 1. In a large bowl, combine the chopped apple, sliced banana, orange segments, grape halves, and strawberry halves. 2. Drizzle the honey over the mixed fruits. 3. If you like, you can sprinkle a bit of cinnamon over the fruit salad for added flavor. 4. Gently toss the fruits to coat them with the honey and cinnamon. 5. Serve the fruit salad immediately or refrigerate it for later. 6. Enjoy your colorful and refreshing fruit salad.